Hey, this is Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping, where we show you how to minimize bookkeeping and maximize profits. Are you trying to work with your QBO bank feeds and just don't really know how to get started? Or you're confused as to whether you should add or match? No need to panic. I'll show you a very quick and easy way to work with your bank feeds in just 5 minutes a day. So here's my 5-minute system for working with bank feeds. Let's review the 5-minute bookkeeping system for working with banking transactions. We'll start with credit card accounts. You generally want to add, spent, or money out credit card transactions. Next, move on to your bank accounts and start with money out or spent transactions. You'll want to add debit card transactions and electronic transactions like ACH and wire transfers. You'll match or add checks and bill payments depending on whether you're entering these in QuickBooks first. For payroll transactions, you will add them if you use a third-party service provider, and you will match if you use QuickBooks Payroll. Next, work with your money in transactions or receive transactions. You generally want to match or find a match for money in transactions, whether you use method 1 or method 2. And generally, you'll match QuickBooks Payments transactions. For miscellaneous deposits, you will generally add those transactions. Finally, work with transfers and credit card payments. While this sounds like a lot of transactions, you'll be amazed at what you can do in just 5 minutes a day. And remember, I'm providing you the downloadable cheat sheet. What if you're months behind? Well, first of all, there's nothing to be embarrassed about because you're definitely not the only person who's been months behind. It happens to a lot of people. You get busy and bookkeeping is just not a priority. I recommend that you spend short amounts of time working on your banking transactions. How about just 15 minutes a day? Work on 1 month at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. The most important thing is to be consistent and to focus on small, doable tasks. Never work on your bookkeeping for extended periods of time. It's no fun and you can make mistakes, and you'll hate doing your bookkeeping. So just remember, whether it's 5 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, make it a habit, create a standing appointment on your calendar, and pretty soon you'll see that you're caught up and that you actually like doing 5-minute bookkeeping. So give it a try, just 5 minutes a day. If this content is helping you, then make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you can get all of my latest videos. I'm Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping.